nationwide grassroots network that works on your behalf.
Working to recruit more Arab Americans as spies. New CIA Director Leon Panetta says just 22% of CIA officers are minorities.
So cute. I saw him in the hallway today.
It sucks that we're stuck in the house tonight.
I know, I wish we could just leave already.
Can you guys please shut up?
Just because you're older and mom left you in charge doesn't mean you can tell us what to do.
Yeah, you're right. They did leave me in charge, so get out of here and go to bed.
Who do you think you are? Come on. We're going to bed. Good night.
Dylan is so annoying. We should sneak out tonight.
Yeah, that's a great idea. But we have to wait till he goes to sleep first.
We should go check.
It's difficult when a home full of memories is no longer safe because of stairs.
Mom, Dad, you've lived here a long time.
It's dangerous going up and down those steps.
I know there have been attempts to change it, perhaps actual changes.
Yes, we're out.
It's kind of cold out here.
It's not as bad as yesterday's practice in the rain.
Oh my gosh, how cold was it?
It was like below 20 degrees. It was
Oh my
horrible.
God.
And
Wow.
I couldn't. Yeah, I heard about that.
Yeah, she should not have done that.
He was totally taken.
Yeah. What?
I forgot to close the door.
On time. If the clock runs out, you can get an automatic 6-month extension to file, but this extension does not give you more time to pay.
How's the door open?
If you hold off paying, you will owe
Katie, Aaron!
any amount not
Oh,
paid
they
by
must
the
have snuck
April
out.
deadline. Plus,
11 as CEO. And one thing that struck me in the book, the one exceptional thing, is when you said leadership is calling.
That's right. You've got to have passion about what you're doing, whether you're doing it for.
I wonder how late it's getting.
I don't know. I wonder if Dylan's woke up yet.
Yeah, we should probably turn back soon. Yeah, Dylan's definitely probably woken up by now.
Yeah, but even if he comes out and catches us, what's he gonna do? I mean,
Yeah, I'm awake and I caught you.
What do you think you're doing?
What, you guys snuck out? Okay, alright. I know that scared you and I'm sorry. But we're going back to the house right now.
okay, fine, we'll go home, but you can't tell mom about this.
Alright, I won't tell her,
Do you know the way home from here?
Yeah, it's this way.
Okay.
Why'd you guys even choose to sneak out tonight?
It was boring inside. We had to do something.
So?
Dylan, you didn't even let us go anywhere. Wait, do you even know where we're going?
Of course I know where we're going.
What was that?
Oh my god, what was that?
What was what?
I saw something.
There's nothing there.
Yes,
Yeah.
there was.
Don't worry about it. Come on, let's go. What?
Dylan, which one of your friends did you get to come out here and scare us?
What are you talking about? I don't know who that is.
know.
I don't know.
Don't think you can run from me, kitty. Ah ha ha ha. Oh shit. We gotta go right now.
What's wrong?
Don't ask me. Let's just go right now. Come on, come on.
Okay.
Katie, are you okay?
No, it's my ankle.
It's your ankle. Can you walk?
No.
All right, I gotta carry you. We gotta go. Ready? Come on. I gotta go get help. Here, stay here. Aaron, stay with Katie. Stay with Katie. I'll be right back. I'm going to go get help.
Okay, okay.
Don't try anything.
Let her go!
Shut up. Just shut up.
Let her go, please! Just let her go!
Do you like it? Come on. Stupid kids. Aaron, get the door.
Got it. Come on. I wish we could get out of the house tonight. Okay, can we start that? Who do you think you are?
Ah!
Oh my god!
I'm awake and I caught you both.
What do you think you're doing?
Why, you guys snuck out. Okay. I'm scared.